Hey guys, Josh here, one of your parts purchasers here at Atlantic British, and today we're going to show you how to disengage your parking brake if it happens to be stuck on, which is actually a very common thing with the LR3. Unfortunately, they just don't get used enough, and therefore when you do go to use it sometimes they get stuck on. This is an emergency only procedure which will help you actually get your car back to the dealer or home, or, you know, basically disengage the parking brake, and after this you will have to get it professionally repaired. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so what you're going to need is two tools, one being just a small screwdriver, flathead would be preferable, and the second one would be some sort of pick device. It just has to have some sort of hook on it. You'll see why once we get into here. Basically, this little cover right here, you're going to take the screwdriver and just pop that off. And then there's this little plastic cover in here as well. Now this part's going to feel a little aggressive because you're actually going to kind of force this out, but it does just clip in. Okay, so once you get those covers off, what you're going to do is just kind of fish in gently, because there's a lot of wires in here, but you'll find that there's actually a little cable with a loop on the end of it. And this is actually the cable that goes directly to the emergency brake mechanism. And you're going to use a little bit of force and just pull it up, and you're going to hear a big clang. And when that happens, the brake itself should be released. And it's just as easy as that. Alright, well now that we've got you back on the road, make sure you check out our website, roverparts.com. We do have this part available. It's actually a gear mechanism with the cables. It's the full assembly, and it's what typically fails on these LR3s. Website is roverparts.com, or you can call one of our salesmen at 1-800-533-2210. And thanks for checking us out.